Hello, everybody. Some of you know me, some of you don't. So I'm going to post this video as a quick introduction to start off this school year. So my name is Mark Fratelka, and I'm going to be your son or daughter's science teacher for the 2019-2020 school year. My hope is that I'm able to support your child as much as I possibly can and be as connected with you as possible so we're always on the same page. You're going to hear from me through more uploaded videos, emails, and phone calls, and any other communication I can get my hands on. Never hesitate to reach out to me. My contact information is at the bottom of the screen. I'm always going to try and get back to you as soon as I possibly can. But again, if you have a question or concern, please feel free to reach out. Have a great day, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.